welcome to another unboxing from another one of these Target Best of sets. This one is the Spa at Home set, and look how freaking pretty the bag is. Like, oh my gosh, it's one of my faves. And I'm so excited for the stuff in here. This one has 10 items in it, and it's valued at over $49. So again, for costing $15, you're getting a hell of a lot of value. So diving in. I'm going to show you what is in here. So again, we start out tissue paper. So we've got Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath with Pure Epsom Salt. Soothe and Sleep with Lavender. It's a 3-ounce bottle, which is a very decent size if you ask me. Soothes your body, promoting a better night's sleep. Nourishes your skin, long-lasting bubbles gently cleanse. I've looked at this stuff many times and considered buying a full size, so having a little sample size to test it out. Yes. Like, I'm actually really, really happy about that. You have no idea, especially on days that I come home from work and my legs are just so swollen and so painful. The Epsom salts will help so much, no doubt. So I'm really, really stoked to have this and be able to try it out. Next, we've got from Proactive. Yeah, there's a sample of freaking Proactive in here. Crazy, right? We've got a green tea moisturizer. Granted, the sample is only 0.33 fluid ounces, but I mean, still not bad. It's friggin' Proactive. Like, as somebody who grew up being told with my skin that I should really invest in Proactive, but we didn't really have the money to throw at Proactive, I'm like, holy shit, I own, even though it's a sample size, I technically own a Proactive product. Wow! Then we've got a little sample size of Hemp's Original Herbal Body Moisturizer. I've had this, like, a few times over, but I always love this stuff. Like, oh my god, it smells so good. So I am actually really happy to have another one of it, because I love this brand so much. And the original scent is so nice. It's like banana scent. It's so good. I've reviewed it on this channel before, so if you want to see the review of that, just search it. It'll come right up. But yeah. Then, from a brand called Beloved, which only just recently popped up on my radar with a few lip balms that they put out, also at Target. This is the Lavender and Hyssop hand sanitizer. I don't know what Hyssop is, but I mean, hand sanitizer is always useful, so eliminates 99.9% of germs. Come on, let me smell it. Ooh, oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. That smells really nice. Let's see here. 70% ethyl alcohol. Good. No freaking coconut here. Alright, so I can use it. Because that was why I had to stop using the pocket bags from Bath & Body Works, because the coconut content, it screws with me hella bad, but this I can use, so yay. So from La Roche-Posay, we have the Toleraine Purifying Foaming Cleanser with Ceramide 3 and Niacinamide. It's for normal to oily skin. This is, a decent little sample size to test out, which usually the little La Roche-Posay ones are like half this width and like the same size, and that's all you get. So having one like this, I'm like, wow, they got generous as far as they go. Wow. And then from Bliss, we have the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all skin types. I think I actually have the full size of this somewhere waiting to be reviewed, to be totally honest with you, but I don't mind having more because I love this brand so hard. Then, this I do believe I've got another one of somewhere, but I have yet to open that one either, but it's from the brand Hask. And it's the Argan Oil from Morocco, Repairing Deep Conditioner, strengthens and restores dry, damaged hair. Hask Clean Beauty. No sulfates and no parabens. Which I hope means that it's safe for color-treated hair. I think that is. Yeah, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, gluten, and drying alcohol. Very nice. So yeah, and something like this, I could probably get at least 2, if not 3 uses out of that, because of the length of my hair, so pretty good stuff. Then we have from The Good Patch The Dream, quantity 1 patch. It's Snore, it's sleepy time. Peel and place 1 patch on the inside of wrist or any venous area that is clean and dry. Patch may be worn up to 12 hours. Time to wake up, simply peel the patch off. Has 10 milligrams of melatonin, 4 milligrams of hops, 3 milligrams of valerian root, 0.35 milligrams of black peppercorn, and adhesive. So basically it helps you like relax and sleep. As if I needed any extra help falling asleep. But I don't know, there's a warning on here about it. Topical use only. Do not use on wounds or damaged skin. Consult your physician before using if you have an autoimmune condition or a depressive disorder. Both of which apply to me, so I may be passing this one on to someone, because I'm like, I don't think I should use that. I don't think it's safe for me, personally, but for somebody else, whoever wants it can totally have it. Then from Dashing Diva, we have the Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. I've had a similar one to this before, but not quite identical, but it was in the same color story, which I'm thrilled about. So, those are gonna be fun to put on. I grow my nails out a little longer, just saying. Basically, these are kind of like Jamberries were, more or less. So, they're pretty cool. I like them anyway. But yeah, there's 20 gel nail strips in here of all different sizes. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, did I lose one somewhere? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, I didn't. Okay, I see what I forgot to count. Okay, so the last thing in here is from a brand called Arc, and it's their After Brushing Whitening Booster in Cool Mint. It removes and prevents surface stains. You use it daily after your normal brushing routine. Which, I mean, I've never heard of a whitening booster you put on your teeth after you brush. But, I mean, I guess there's a first time for everything. I didn't know that there's a market for that, but I guess there is. So, I mean, that's kind of cool for those who need that. I have caps, so that's probably not going to help me too terribly much. I mean, maybe it'll work on porcelain, I'm not sure. I could give it a shot. If it doesn't seem like it does anything, I can always pass the rest of the tube on to Kimberly, because she's always trying to whiten her damn teeth, so. Anyways, that is all that is in this bag, which, that's saying, pretty good stuff, and for 15 bucks, that is a steal. That is an absolute steal. Have all that stuff to try it, so. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.